Deep cleaning on Dell G315 P75F laptop. Thank you, Ma'am Angeli, for trusting PTIT Solutions. The Dell G315 P75F laptop underwent a comprehensive deep cleaning procedure to restore its cooling performance, maintain optimal airflow, and extend the overall lifespan of its internal components. As a gaming and high-performance laptop, the Dell G3 is designed to handle demanding applications and extended workloads. Over time, however, dust accumulation inside the cooling system had begun to restrict airflow and affect temperature regulation, leading to higher fan noise, reduced performance, and potential overheating risks. To address these issues, a thorough deep cleaning service was performed. The process began with the careful disassembly of a laptop, ensuring that all steps were done methodically to avoid damage to sensitive components. The bottom casing, cooling fans, heat sink, and internal panels were removed using appropriate tools. Anti-static precautions were followed throughout the process to prevent electrical discharge that could harm the motherboard or GPU. Once opened, the interior of the laptop revealed moderate dust buildup around the cooling fans, heatsink fins, and air vents. These areas are critical for proper heat dissipation and were therefore cleaned thoroughly using compressed air, anti-static brushes, and microfiber cloths. The cleaning process removed all accumulated dust and debris that had settled over time on the fan blades and vents. Next, the CPU and GPU heatsink assembly was detached to allow the removal of the old, dried thermal paste. A fresh layer of high-quality thermal compound was carefully applied to both chips to ensure better heat conductivity and temperature control. This step is essential for maintaining stable thermal performance during gaming, heavy multitasking, or long hours of continuous operation. After cleaning and reapplication of thermal paste, the internal components were inspected for signs of wear or potential damage. The motherboard, RAM, storage drive, and power connectors were gently cleaned and rechecked to ensure firm and proper placement. The fan assemblies were reinstalled and tested for smooth rotation without noise or obstruction. The entire internal layout was reviewed to confirm that cables and connections were properly routed for maximum airflow efficiency. Once the internal cleaning was completed, the laptop was reassembled carefully. The casing was polished to remove any external dust or smudges, restoring its clean and professional appearance. After reassembly, the system underwent a series of diagnostic and thermal tests to verify the effectiveness of the maintenance. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.